Namaste. Today I am presenting the lecture on microprocessors and its interfacing devices. To know more about this particular course, let us go through the overview of computers and microprocessors. In the overview, let us undergo the number systems and its codes, basic computer organization, and evolution of microprocessors. In the process of number systems, here we have binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Binary number system has only 2 digits in it. The base is considered as 2, and the example of binary number system is 1, 0 and 1. So this 1, 0, 1 in decimal number system it becomes 5. In octal number system it covers the total digits as 0 to 7. The total digits will be 8. So base is considered as 8. The example of a number is 2, 4, 6 and so on. In decimal number system the total number of digits is 10. It includes 0 to 9. And the example comes like this 2, 5, 9. And this is a number system which we are popularly using for our human uses. Coming to hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. The total numbers or digits comes as 0 to 9. Later, the number system goes like this: A, B, C, D and so on up to F. Totally, the number count will be 16. In computer languages, this is popularly used. The number comes like something like this: A01. Now coming to the basic architecture of computers. Computers is mainly a CPU and the main memory. These two are attached to a system bus where each device is attached to input-output devices and device control and device. CPU is directly connected to input-output device and memory is connected to input-output device through a device controller to the device. This is the basic bus organized computer system configuration. Now coming to the block diagram of a computer system. Any computer system is comprising of CPU and address or data or control bus. Both are bidirectionally connected with each other. And each device is having a memory of either ROM memory and RAM memory and disk memory, along with which there are some input-output devices like keyboard, printer, mouse, etc. This is the basic block diagram of a computer system. Now let us go through the microprocessors. Here in this computer system we are using a CPU, which is a central processing unit. The processor in this CPU is a microprocessor. So to know more about microprocessor, let us go through the evolution of microprocessors. The first microprocessor available for us is Intel 4004 microprocessor. So this Intel 4004 microprocessor is the first microprocessor in its generation. In this Intel microprocessor, can you imagine how many transistors were used in this microprocessors? How many transistors were used in this microprocessor? Yes, there are around 2300 transistors used in this microprocessor, and this Intel microprocessor was generated in the year 1971. So this data is collected from the Intel website. Coming to the evolution of microprocessors in the generation by the company Intel are, later we came up with 8080 in 1974, 8085 in 1976, and so on. At present we are using i7 core microprocessor. So in all these microprocessors whichever came up are by the company called as Intel. Along with this, we have some other microprocessor. Do you think is evolution of microprocessors is done only with Intel? Exactly no. There are microprocessors which are developed by other countries or other companies also, like Xylem, Intel, AMD, MOS, Motorola, Macron, TI, etc. So that's all about the first lecture. Thank you. These are the references which I have followed. Thank you.